Welcome to another video. Before starting the video, I'd like to tell you that memberships for my channel is now available. By becoming a member, you can enjoy a variety of perks, including member shoutouts, early access to new videos, exclusive courses by me, and uncut footage. There's a membership option for everyone, so please consider tapping the join button and subscribing to the one that suits you best. Your support will help me create even more great content. I'm aiming to reach 8 memberships so that badges for all members will start showing up on my channel. Your support will help me hit this milestone. Now, let's get back to the video. So, I have covered almost every way about how you can generate applications from Claude artifacts to Maestro up until Aider. But almost all of them either require you to pay a fee for the API or the service, or if you don't want to do that, then you'll have to locally host your own models, which obviously doesn't give a very good output in that case. But today, I have something that's quite cool and lets you create applications on the go for free with Llama-3.1 405B, and that's LlamaCoder. LlamaCoder is made by TogetherAI, and it's basically Claude artifacts, but with the open-source Llama models. It's open source as well, so you can also locally host it if you want. But the main part that I really like is that its hosted version is fully free to use without any apparent limits. You can start using it without any local installation and create some great apps. Plus, the interface here also looks pretty cool, and you can even make iterations to the generated code with it as well. So, once you come to this LlamaCoder.io page, you'll see this page. Now, here you can send the prompt about what application you want to generate, like a calculator app or anything that you may want. It only allows generating applications in NextJS, which is one limitation. Anyway, after that, you can also select the model you want to use, like Llama-3.1 405B, 70B. The best one here is obviously the 405B model. So, let's use this. Let's create a to-do list app. The prompt doesn't need to be too detailed if you don't have the details. Anyway, now it's getting generated. As you can see, it also streams the response, so you can see what's getting generated. This obviously takes a little time. Okay, here's the preview and the code as well, which looks fine. The to-do app also works fine, although some things like the edit are missing here. So, to make changes to this, you can send in a change request in this text box. So, let's ask it to add an edit option here. Let's send it here. Okay, it's getting generated again. You can see the code being generated. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it's now done. The edit option is now added here as well. Although, when I click edit, the old value doesn't show up in the text box. So, let's ask it to fix that. Let's send the prompt here to do that. It's generating the code again, which takes a little bit of time. So, let's wait a bit. Okay, it's now done. So, this now works pretty well, which is obviously pretty amazing. Now, let's ask it to make something more complex. Let's ask it to build a snake game, because I think that will be a little complex. Okay, it's now getting generated. This will again take some time. Let's wait a bit. Okay, here's the code in preview. But, as you can see, the preview doesn't work. It throws some errors. Let's send it this error and ask it to fix it. Let's see if it can do that or not. It's getting generated now. Let's wait a bit. Okay, here's the generated code, and the preview again doesn't work. Let's ask it again to fix the issue. Okay, here's the code, and it again doesn't work. It seems that it cannot make complex stuff. Also, the stuff you make is put in a code sandbox, so you can view it and download the files from there as well, which is also very, very cool. Now, I also want to check if it can make multiple pages or not. Let's ask it to make a landing page with a sign-in page to see if it can do that or not with multiple pages. Okay, it's generating the code here. Let's wait a bit. So, here's the code and the preview. Let's look at it. Okay, so the multiple pages thing also doesn't work. I think with artifacts, you also cannot make anything that has multiple pages. So, I think it's fine. But I would have liked it if it allowed for creating multiple pages. But this one's also fine. So, that's basically how you can use it. The best part is that it's fully free. So, you can go ahead and use it. It's not the best, but it's pretty good if you want to do prototyping and stuff. Now let me also tell you how you can locally host it if you want. To get it locally configured, just clone the repo on your computer. Once done, navigate into the folder. Now, create an env file. Now, open it and add this TogetherAI API key variable. Now, we'll need to put in the API key here as well. For that, you can just sign up on TogetherAI and get the API key from there. They give some free credits as well, so you can do that for free. Anyway, once you put the API key here, save it. Now, go back to the terminal and run the npm install command. This will get the dependencies installed. Once done, run npm run dev command. This will get the application started. So, once it has started, you can just go to the port and URL it shows you. Once you are here, you can start generating applications fully locally, which is also very cool. I would have liked it if it had Llama support, but anyway, this is also fine. The best part is the free hosted version of it, where you can go and create applications without doing anything or paying anything. Plus, you also get the Llama-3.1 405B model, which is also really very cool. I think it's a really good option if you want to generate some good prototypes for your applications with just one prompt. Although it can't make bigger applications, it's just good for one page or module that you may want to make. For much more complex applications, Aider can be much better. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below, or if you want to have early access to my videos and some exclusive uncut videos and courses by me, then also consider taking up a membership on my channel through the join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.